DGLY stock analysis and DGLY stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at the digital LD stock. It is 8 cents and 3% down is not that bad, honestly. How does it look like from a higher time frame perspective though? I mean, I'm gonna stick to something that I've tested for 36,000 videos and I've spent 5 figures on mentors and courses on this. My approach, you know, my skill of trading, and digital LD stock is just a bearish market. I've talked about this before plenty. We broke down, had a new lower low. So yeah, even like this is the first break. We're fitting in this supply. So only if the price kind of pops inside this supply zone and gives me a double break, then and only then I'll take things low. If it doesn't give me the rules, then I'll just not short. I mean, it's really as simple as that. So all I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.